Hi, I'm Mike from Australian Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I'm going to do something a little different, something we haven't done before. I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing of a package that we got in the mail today. Pretty excited. So without further ado, I'll grab the box. Alright, let's crack open this box. I do know what's in here. Pretty excited about it. Alright. Okay, I'll just put the box to the side. Got some cables, some HDMI cables, standard HDMI cable. Alright, little springy cable, standard. Alright, in the box, another HDMI cable, a micro and a standard. Go. And a mini and a standard HDMI. Right, so we also have, okay, so pop one of those out of the box, let's have a look. Okay, so here we go. I'm not sure how that's going to go, but it's only MPF plate and a little USB plug. Another one of those. So we'll take them all out and have a look. Well, we've got to come out anyway. Okay, leave that for last. A small I don't think I'll use that. That one's probably a bit tiny, but anyway, let's see. It might come in handy. A Sony MPF 750, I believe. 750s. Okay, so a 750 bat. Alright. Two of those. We'll get to the main prize in a minute. 750 bat. Alright, and the star of the show, the Hollyland Mars 400S. So what this is a transmitter and receiver to transmit HD video. So pretty excited. Let's pop it out of its wrapper and have a look. So the reason we've got this is we do have a small graduation coming up. I'll be putting a student on a camera, one on a microphone to interview some of the other students who are graduating. There's only a few graduating at this time. But yeah, I want to have a roving camera in the studio while the graduation's happening. Going around interviewing people, talking about the people who have graduated, talking with the teachers, the directors of the college and that kind of thing. We'll also have another camera on sticks fixed, and some of us will be here in the studio doing the camera switching. So pretty exciting stuff. So Mars 400S. Not sure what's in there, we'll have a look at that after. So here's the TX unit, so that's the transmitter. Nice and solid. They're chargers. Whoops. Not backing plates, they're chargers. That makes sense. Makes more sense now. So the batteries go on the back there. So come on, come with me. There we go, Sony. You've got it. The Hollyland 400S. So that's the transmitter, and we also have the receiver. Okay, nice neat little unit. Yeah, they got quarter 20 on the bottom here. Got some aerials. I do believe the kit comes with 5 aerials, so you get a spare, and yes, that's the case. Packaging. Okay, and all the extra little bits and pieces. So we have an Aussie plug adapter, which is good. A cold shoe mount. What do we have here? A USB-C, USB, a little 1/4 20 screw with the folding thumb adapter. That's a plate for mounting. That's what I was interested in for the transmitter. I had seen a review on this, so for the transmitter, this little bracket allows you to mount this on the camera. So that's what that little thumb screw is for. So I can mount that little bracket on there, and then that can be mounted with the little cold shoe on that, and then mounted on the camera. I'll grab a old Canon sitting over there. So this would mount, I'll do a close up. So that bracket has gone on there with the little thumb screw in place. I can add the cold shoe to that, and then we can mount that on the camera and have the battery in here. Now aerials, pop an aerial on, which is pretty neat. Nice little aerials, they can fold up to get out of the way a bit. That's pretty neat. Then I have my plug, so I probably want to mount it around that way actually, so that my leads are running out the back. So there we go, that's the little transmitter unit, quite neat, quite a nice little setup. There's our receiver, I can run mains off that and have HDMI out, SDI out, and this will run into our ATEM Mini Pro. So we're going to be running this into the ATEM Mini Pro. We'll be roving around with the camera that's currently filming me, which is the Sony A7III, so we'll run that. The other camera that I'm using for close-ups, the A7II. We might put that one on sticks, or we'll see how it goes. I'd probably rather run the two Sonys on the night, just so the colours match, because we are going to be streaming this event for the students, for their family and friends to watch the graduation. So this is just a bit of an unboxing on the Hollyland Mars 400S. Oh, almost forgot. Also came with a nice little gift case for this one, which is nice and cool. Nice little hard case here. Have a look at that. Yeah, it'll all fit in here nicely. Some little things here for the aerials. This is actually a custom case for the Hollyland and Hollyland branding on it. Switch to that. I definitely will be using this. Yeah, very nice little case to transport the transmitter and receiver, aerials and whatnot. Yeah, that'll be a great little carry case. So I will do a more in-depth review after I've tested this. Like I say, this just arrived in the post today. So nice little kit, very happy with it from what I've seen, some of the other YouTube reviews. I'll do my own review on this, real life after graduation. So after we've tested it and actually used it in real life scenario for our graduation, I will do a in-depth review. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff if you're into it, and I will catch you on the next one. Great, thanks for coming, and I'll see you later.